Ever found yourself at the checkout, phone in hand, ready to pay with Beforepay, and a tiny seed of doubt starts to sprout? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a question that's on the minds of many savvy shoppers. Does Walmart accept Beforepay? Before we get to the answer, let's quickly recap what Beforepay actually is. For those unfamiliar, Beforepay is a service that offers short-term cash advances, allowing you to access a portion of your upcoming paycheck before payday. Think of it as a financial bridge to help you cover expenses when you're a little short. It connects to your bank account, analyzes your pay schedule and income, and then offers you an advance that you repay automatically on your next payday, typically with a small fee. It's become a popular tool for managing cash flow and avoiding hefty overdraft fees or payday loans. Now, why the question about Walmart specifically? Well, Walmart is a retail behemoth. It's where millions of people shop for everything from groceries and electronics to clothing and household goods. With its widespread presence and commitment to offering various payment options, it's natural to wonder if a relatively new financial service like Beforepay fits into their payment ecosystem. After all, Walmart already accepts a wide array of payment methods, including credit cards, debit cards, cash, gift cards, and mobile payment systems like Apple Pay and Google Pay. So, where does Beforepay stand in this mix? To get straight to the point, as of my last update, Walmart does not directly accept Beforepay as a payment method at their physical stores or online. This might be a bit disappointing for those of you who rely on Beforepay for your short-term financial needs and prefer to shop at Walmart. While Walmart embraces many digital payment solutions, Beforepay, with its specific mechanism of linking to your bank account for future repayment, doesn't currently integrate with Walmart's point-of-sale systems. It's important to understand that integrating a new payment method involves several factors for a large retailer like Walmart. They need to ensure security, compatibility with their existing infrastructure, and manage the complexities of processing these transactions. While Beforepay has gained traction, it may not yet have the widespread integration that more established payment methods enjoy. However, this doesn't necessarily mean you can't indirectly use your Beforepay funds at Walmart. Since Beforepay typically transfers the advanced funds directly to your linked bank account, you can then use your associated debit card at Walmart, both in-store and online. So, while you can't scan a Beforepay QR code or directly select it as a payment option, the funds you receive through Beforepay can certainly be used via your bank account's debit card at Walmart. Keep in mind that the landscape of payment options is constantly evolving. Financial technology companies are continuously innovating, and retailers are always evaluating new ways to make transactions easier for their customers. Therefore, while Walmart doesn't directly accept Beforepay now, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility that this could change in the future. As Beforepay grows in popularity and more users express a desire to use it at major retailers like Walmart, there might be a case for future integration. So, directly, no, Walmart does not accept Beforepay as a payment method. However, indirectly, you can use the funds you've received from Beforepay via your linked debit card at Walmart. It's a subtle but important distinction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.